In bond investing, convexity measures how a bond's price changes when interest rates shift. It is a vital tool for managing risk. Convexity describes the relationship between bond prices and interest rates. It is not a straight line, but a curve. While duration gives you a linear estimate of price change, convexity accounts for the curve in the relationship, making it more accurate. Investors use convexity to better predict price movements, especially when interest rates move significantly in either direction. Duration provides a quick, rough estimate of sensitivity, while convexity refines that estimate by accounting for the curvature of price changes. This graph illustrates the downward sloping curve of bond prices against rising interest rates. The bend in this line represents convexity. Think of convexity as a safety net. It helps investors understand that price drops are often smaller than basic formulas suggest when rates rise. Understanding these mechanics is key to building a robust portfolio. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more investing fundamentals.